Our story begins with my late father and founder, late Muhammad Suleiman Kimji, pioneer in prefabricated buildings industry in the Middle East. With his experience in housing projects in East Africa, he established a modest office in Dubai in 1975. 1992 saw a major expansion in our activities, and we established our head office in Jebel Ali Free Zone to serve numerous industries including construction and oil and gas.
In the mid-90s, we established our roof waterproofing division with a specific focus to serve businesses with metal roofs in the UAE, using roof coatings manufactured in the USA. We've been blessed over the years to work with some of the biggest names in the UAE, and we've built up a really strong portfolio of clients and partners. Fast forward to today, we operate under the brand Solar Roofing, where we've combined our expertise in roof waterproofing as well as solar energy to provide clients with end-to-end solutions so that they can save on operational costs, they can go green, support government incentives, all while ensuring a watertight roof over their heads. And throughout our journey, our aim has always been, and always will be, to give our clients the highest level of service and connect with each of them on a very personal level.
We started Blue Leaves in 2014 when we saw a gap in the market. We manufacture disposable underpads for hospital beds. That's our main product of manufacturing, although we do trade in different consumables. We started mainly with the local and GCC market. We have now customers in Africa, Europe, and North America.
In 2021, we got actively involved in the growing industry of 3D printing. This technology has been around for several years, which was used for prototyping due to its capabilities to create parts in a matter of hours, which would typically take days in traditional manufacturing. It has also been popular in academic environments to create tangible objects for R&D and training purposes. In recent years, the technology has advanced into metal and composite materials. This can be used to manufacture final products. One of its biggest advantages is on-demand manufacturing. This eliminates the need to have large warehouses to store parts. With this technology, you can now create digital parts and produce parts on demand. To highlight the advantages of this technology and many more, we've created 2 demo centers in the region. One dedicated to metal manufacturing and the other for industrial polymers and composite materials.
The directors are personally involved in each project, and we strongly believe that our success profoundly relies on the success of our customers.